kapansin-pansin ang madalas na pagpapakita ni Kris Aquino sa social media. Kamakailan ay ilang photos ang ibinahagi ni Darla sa kanyang Instagram. Doon ay kasama ni Darla si Kris at napansin ng mga netizens na tumataba na si Kris at nagiging maayos na ulit ang hitsura nito. Pero patuloy pa rin ang paghingi ni Kris ng prayers ayon kay Darla. Always praying for you at Kris Aquino at laging nananalig sa kanya. Ayon kay Darla, ang nasabing photo ay kuha noong Agosto 1, 2025. Photo taken on August 1, 2025. Medyo rosy cheeks si Chrissy dahil sa pag-flare up ng isa sa kanyang autoimmune diseases. Right now, she still needs our continuous prayers, lalo pa sa new surgical procedures that she has to endure. Matatandaang sa latest post ni Kris ay ikinwento ito na nasa St. Luke's Global City sila para sa series ng surgery. Kwento niya, "Please pray for my surgeons and cardio interventionists, all the residents and fellows, all the nurses and all the staff in the OR and the cardio OR. I thank the Holy Spirit and the birthday girl Mama Mary for keeping my survival instinct sharp." Aminado si Kris na marami pa rin siyang pinagdadaanan sa loob ng maraming araw. Headed down, marami na kaming pinagdaanan. In 5 days, we would have been back a year. I wish you could hear how quiet the hallways are. Thank you for praying. Isa pang test of tapang. Samantala, napansin ng mga netizens ang paniniwala pa rin ni Kris sa feng shui at saka ghost month. Comment ng netizen, "I don't know how you can be so religious and yet you believe in feng shui. You're asking for prayers for the Holy Spirit to guide all the people doing the procedure and yet you believe in feng shui and ghost month. Not to mention all the bling bailings you wear and crystals in your room. If you believe in God, then surrender everything to Him. He is everything you need. Wala nang iba." Samantala, narito naman ang mga photos ni Kris nitong mga nakaraang panahon at ang changes ng kanyang hitsura.